The purpose of this recording is to familiarize you with some MCA prep materials that you can find through your Anoka Hennepin login. So to begin, you'll want to go to Anoka Hennepin's website, go to the lock and key, and log in with your credentials either as a parent or as a student. Students, staff, and parents have access to the materials that you'll be shown in this video. Once logged in, you'll come to a screen that looks similar to this. Notice to the right there is a small gray push pin. If you click on that push pin, you have the option to select testing. When you select testing, it narrows down the screen choices that you have and focuses just on the testing icons. In this case, we have all MCA. There are two types of icons here we are going to look at. If you hover on the gray part of each icon, the full name will pull up for you. Some that we are going to look at are tutorials, and the other type we will look at are item samplers. The one icon we will not pay attention to in this recording is the MCA grades 6 through high school, because this will focus for grades 3, 4, and 5. But of course, if you have students in 6th grade through 12th grade, this icon could be helpful as well. The tutorials are the first ones we'll look at. There are three types of tutorials. One is the item type tutorial. This tutorial will familiarize your student with the different types of questions that could be found in terms of how those questions are answered. So it will familiarize students with drop-down answer choices or drop and drag, as opposed to just multiple choice clicking on the correct answer. The navigation tutorial will help your student become familiar with tools that just help navigate the test. So the back and next arrows, being able to scroll through a passage when the passage is longer and you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, or being able to review and submit or bookmark a certain question for review later on. The third tutorial is the tools tutorial, and that will familiarize students and give them an opportunity to try tools that are available for specific tests like notepads, calculator, the answer eliminator, maybe the highlighter or magnifier, and more. The other type of icon we have are the item samplers. And so there's a math item sampler, there's a reading item sampler. All grades 3, 4, and 5 will have math and reading MCAs. For 5th graders, there's also the science item sampler. So when these are clicked on, students will be exposed to possible answer types in each of those content areas. Students will be exposed to all of these at school with their teacher, but any help or extra practice at home is certainly encouraged and welcomed. If you have any questions as you navigate this site, your child's teacher would be a great resource.